Hi, I'm Kennedy Nunamaker.
And I'm Kevin Sieper. We are Applied Engineering Technology students at Eastern Illinois University. This is a how-to video to demonstrate the Izod impact test.
Alright, today we'll be using a block of aluminum, a small thing of aluminum, and inserting it into the Izod testing. It measures in foot-pounds, so we will just drop this in there and stand back and pull the knob, and it will break it, and then it will measure the weight of it.
Okay. But the iPod impact test is designed to calculate the resistance of failure of material to a suddenly applied force. These forces are collision, falling object, or instantaneous flow. This is a valuable test to determine the safest material to use in manufacturing and construction. The test measures energy absorbed prior to the fracture. The most commonly methods are the Charpy test and the Izod test. The Izod impact test is the ASTM, American Society for Testing Materials, method of establishing impact strength. A notched sample is generally used, but unnotched specimens are covered under ASTM D4812. Notched materials are reported under ASTM D246. This test is usually done on plastics, but can be utilized for other materials such as aluminum. The Izod test is used in quality assurance applications to evaluate relative or impact toughness of the material. Impact energy is the measure of work done to fracture a test sample. An arm is held at a specific height, constant potential energy, and released. A specimen is usually notched. When the striker impacts the test sample, the specimen will absorb the energy at the notch, and it becomes deformed. It continues to absorb energy and hardens at the notch. The sample breaks once it cannot absorb any more energy. Strikers come in different sizes to establish the impact energy, starting with the smaller strikers and increasing the size until material breaks.
Sure. Obviously today we'll be working in a fairly stable condition with like your average room temperature. You'll notice that on the Izod testing machine that it starts, the 0 point starts further back than for the shark tension test, which is kind of interesting. So I will just load this
Carefully.
Very carefully. Put them in the notch. You set it in so that it's vertical, and it will hit directly in the middle so that the weight is distributed evenly.
Okay. And then we release the pendulum. The foot-pounds per inch at the knots were 10 pounds, so the foot-pounds per square inch was 100 pounds.